Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So last year we have installed TEXMO Submersible Pump, which is aqua model. So in this video I will do a short review. Those who haven't checked the installation video, check it out in the cards. I will leave it in the cards or at the end of this video. Some of the subscribers have asked about the water pressure from the motor. So in this video I will show the water pressure. So this is the main pipe from the pump, which is connected to the overhead tank on the terrace. So this is the ground floor, guys. So I'll show the pressure. So let's start the motor. This is a local starter, guys. So as you can see, the pressure is good. Presently it is summer season, guys, so you can expect more pressure in the winter or rainy season. So let us go to the first floor and check the pressure, guys. So this is the pressure of the water in the first floor. So the pressure is equal in the ground and first floor, so that is good. Let us go to the terrace and check the water pressure in the overhead tank. So the tank capacity is of 1000 liters, guys. These are the pipelines which are connected to the overhead tank. It will fill the 1000 liter tank in 35 minutes, guys, normally. So there are two tanks. Let us check the pressure. So guys, you can see the pressure is very good. It is equally good with the pressure in the first floor and ground floor. So overall the motor is good. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.